Scare. Scare. This shape is called scare. Scare. I hope you understand scare. Circle. Circle. This shape is circle. Do you understand? This called circle. Circle. Triangle. Triangle. This shape is called triangle. Yes. Do you know? Yes. Triangle. Heart. Heart. This shape is called heart. Heart. Star. This shape is star. Star. This shape is star. Crescent. This shape is crescent. This shape name is crescent. Do you know? Crescent. Yes. Rectangle. Rectangle. This shape is rectangle. 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 Oval. This shape name is oval. Yes. Oval. Cube. Cube. This shape is cube. We say this cube. Cube. You know, cube. Cone. Yes, this is cone. We call this cone. Yes, this shape name is cone. Cone. Dear kids, I hope you enjoying this video. So now please like my videos, subscribe and share. Bye.